welcome to Rollerbaz and
CoasterDad. We are here today in the town I grew up in. We're in London, and it's the start of a little trip for us. We've got a few visits this week, one of which isn't in London, but today we're going to a new park, brand new park.
Babylon Park.
Yeah, Babylon Park. And what are we going to ride on?
Roller coaster.
We're going to ride on the newest cred in London. It's a little coaster, it's for kids really, but we can't turn out. We're passing by, we're on the way through town, we're 2 minutes away. We've got to come and get on it, right?
Yep.
So let's do that.
Yep.
Let's get on it.
So, we are at Babylon Park. We're in the upstairs bit, and we have just got a card from the man saying that we can get 25 virtual coins if we download the app.
Okay, well we'll do that, and we've got to go on here to download some points to go on the rides and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, well we'll get on with that off camera. So Baz, take us around. We just come down this escalator from not a very exciting outdoor world, but we come down and it is big in here.
See some of the rides.
Yeah, I think we better go down and see some of the rides, hadn't we? Yeah, let's do it.
Oh God.
There's our coaster. Yeah, it's also an arcade, isn't it? Over here we got the little mini Tagada thing.
Oh my goodness.
It's a lot indoors, right? Right, well, let's go and have a little look around.
Yeah.
What are you seeing, Baz?
I'm seeing the coaster, the actual roller coaster.
Yeah, it's got a little helix there. Just a fun little coaster. So they've got a very small bumper car area, haven't they? Littlest dodgems I've ever seen, but fun. They've got a big range of pretty up-to-date arcade games. Well, maybe we'll have a go on that afterwards, Baz. Could be good. And here's a little coaster track. It really is a tiny coaster. But you know, it's fun to have something indoors in the UK. We need more stuff like this. And it's called ERS, Energy Recovery System.
The train's just...
Okay.
We are on
Energy Recovery System.
yeah, Babylon's one and only coaster. Here we go! Oh goodness!
A little airtime, Mill. What a bit of fun.
Oh my goodness! This
It's got a bit of a nip for a little coaster, hasn't it?
wow! Yeah, I can see why this has a seat belt with it as well. Do you want to put your hand? Do I want to put my hands in here?
Why not? You might touch the ceiling. We're indoors.
Oh
You
yeah.
can put your hands in the air, but you might touch the ceiling.
Oh, and that's the drop tower there. Whoa! What? Oh my! Oh God! Oh gosh! Oh, free lap. Is this
Well, yeah, we're on to lap 3. Sorry we missed the beginning of the ride.
Yeah.
As per usual, we didn't think to set the camera up before we were sat down. Because
Yeah, and
we're amateur YouTube.
and that's an intergalactic drop tower.
Yeah, we go around and around the drop tower and it's helix.
And it's just us on the ride, I think.
And then I wouldn't call that an air time hill, more of a kind of slightly not in my chair time hill.
Is it okay?
And we go for lap 4.
Yes, we are. We are going for lap 4.
And down this helix one more time.
Oh goodness. Oh, hey.
And then this time through, we'll just roll slightly up the lift hill and then drop back into the station backwards.
Hello.
And that's our ride on Energy Recovery System. Did you enjoy it, Baz?
Oh my goodness, that was amazing.
We'll talk about it a little bit more off-ride. Well, that was our ride on Energy Recovery System, which is just heading into its little helix here. But when you go on Energy Recovery System, you do come down around the drop tower, and that's where Baz is right now, on this little drop tower. Now, by the looks of it, it's not a spinner, so I'm going to have to move myself around the drop tower, aren't I?
So, I had enough game points to go on the drop tower as well. We're just hearing the coaster running right now. The lady's about to turn it on, I think. Whoa! But okay, so it's a spinning drop. It's a spinning drop tower. Oh goodness. Okay. Oh, the coaster's just going above us. Oh, this is so.
What do I know? It is a spinner. I can stay where I am. There he is.
Oh goodness. Oh. Whoa. Woo.
Well, it looks like it's a fun little up and down SBF drop tower. Just a little bouncing ride for the kids, really. But Baz is enjoying it. I'll let you cut over to his on-ride.
Woohoo! There's CoasterDad. Oh, wow. Oh, the other way. Oh, we got a good view of the coaster there. Oh, good. Oh! This is amazing. This is actually amazing for a little coaster. Whoa!
Right, we've had two rides. You've just been on the little SBF shock tower, drop tower number, and we've both been on Energy Recovery System, the coaster here. So what do you want to talk about first?
What we went on first, Energy Recovery System. So, Energy Recovery System, 5 laps.
Well, I think it was 4. So yeah, it's a fun little coaster, isn't it?
Yeah, and my shock tower is actually worth it.
Yeah, it was working. It wasn't for the first few weeks we heard,
Yeah,
but
and I got the coaster going around there while I was going up.
well, that'll be a great video. I bet you've just been enjoying that.
Yes, I have.
Well, not you, them.
Oh,
They've
right.
just watched it.
Oh yeah, good point.
But yeah, and then was it a good shock tower, drop tower?
Yes, it was.
Fun little one, yeah.
Yeah, it was.
Good.
Fun.
Well, I don't know if we'll be riding on anything else, but let's have a last little look around before we leave.
Okay, so we're on the Tagada. There's CoasterDad over there. And this is meant to be really rattly and try to bump you off. But it doesn't look like it's going to do that today.
It's a chill one. It's a chill one.
Yeah, it's a chill.
It's the first time I've worn a seatbelt on the Tagada.
Oh. Hey, woo, Tagada. Whoa, it's not a chill one. It is not a What the heck? Is this a UFO? What? Oh my, this is more like a waltzer. This is more like a waltzer, people. Oh wow. This is we're going the other way. This actually goes quite fast. I can see why it has a seatbelt. Oh my. I'm not holding on though. Oh, I'm gonna brave it. Are you getting thrown to the side?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, good point.
Quite a chill ride.
I feel like this is a
And that was our trip to Babylon Park in Camden in London. We had a good time. We also found out that on weekdays before 5 early in the week, you get twice as many virtual coins and coins for your money. So that's worth knowing. It's half price happy hour on those days in the daytime. Yeah, we had a great time, but we forgot to record an outro because we were rushing across London to get on a train to head to our next destination for the next day. And you'll be able to see that next week when we release our video, which will be our first ever visit to Drayton Manor. See you then. I'm CoasterDad. He's Rollerbaz, but he's not here right now to record this. I'm so sorry. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.